We've built a system based on AI that analyzes pull requests and packages to detect malicious changes. Beware is a two-step system. First one is a pre-filter or a screening layer. That's essentially a high throughput, cheap and fast filter to scan the entire diff. So we take the sort of source code change of the pull request, split it up into consumable chunks. It has to fit into the context window of an AI agent and then run it through the pre-filter and asking it whether it looks suspicious or not. We're using single turn AI agent, sort of like a single chat completion. That means it gets a diff input prompt, like does that look malicious or not? We're not using a strong reasoning model. We're using GPT-5 mini here. The absolute vast majority of things we'll be seeing are valid code changes. So we're having a lot of non-malicious changes that we need to rule out and get rid of to kind of find the very few malicious things. And to not be too costly, we need to have a cheap pre-filter to achieve that. And then we're calling the second stage. It's an AI agent with tools to check who the actor or the identity of the actor or author. It can look at comments on the pull request, title, description, and also get an understanding of dependencies in the pull request. We're using Cloud Opus. It's not a fixed model, right? But it's one of the state-of-the-art best reasoning models. So we're scanning every pull request event at Datadog. It's a bit more than 100,000 events weekly. We're literally searching the needle in the haystack. So the pre-filter removes about 98% of all pull request events and says this is plain benign. If we take the previous numbers of 100,000 as an example, then that would mean like this is a week, this is 2,000 requests at the end of the first stage. Still far above anything a human would want to look at. The second part of scaling is essentially if you have such a large number, you need to make sure you drive it down to such a low number that it can be handled by humans, right? And that's our AI agent. And the AI agent, it essentially takes the remaining requests, looks at them with additional context and stronger reasoning, considers the earlier decision, and then depending on its additional context, it will rate as this is malicious or not. It's a bit tricky to give exact numbers, but we're somewhere at the 0.02% that get escalated to human review, say 20 or 30 per week.